Join the Mammoth. Hey, dude. What's up, Darren?
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Got my hands handy.
Okay, you guys figure out something as soon as possible about fucking shotgun. These are your...
These two dudes' moms are like terrified of us going right now.
Why are you using your phone?
Because
Use my fucking camera.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't know. It's just it's
Where's the
easier on the
good camera?
phone sometimes. It's right here.
He even has like a wide angle lens.
Do we have a? You have a wide angle lens?
It's not a... It's just...
No, it's like a filming lens though. Like.
Oh Jesus! Look at that shoe lens. Okay, well we're using this now. I left these glasses in here like a solid year and a half ago.
And the village is all
Mike and Ike's strip expired a year ago. The teeth hurt.
Just trying to get him on cage. Coming up, I see the cash.
Oh, we're NASCARing, boys. Hey pal, what you doing? Look at this cousin moment. He's teaching him how to fly a drone. That is cute. After like a solid 3 hours, we're like, let's actually get on the road now. Yeah, I hear 87's better for these kind of cars.
91, man. 91.
Well,
91 has the number 1 in it.
that is true.
We haven't been pulled over yet.
Traffic sucks. We got 4 more hours. We got the radar and we haven't gotten pulled over.
Hey guys, where are we now?
I'm fucked nowhere. We've been driving for 10 hours.
We don't make a lot of progress because we like to stop everywhere.
No parents, no rules.
No parents, no rules. We want a fruit roll up. We're gonna get a fruit roll
We're
up.
gonna stop and get that damn fruit roll.
We want some ice cream. We're not gonna get ice cream because that's
ice
unhealthy.
cream at McDonald's.
Too cold for ice cream.
I'm getting ice cream cone in a sweet tea.
We are in a 2-star Walmart right now in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Just trying to get some chains for the WRX because we don't have snow tires. Apparently this is the one Walmart in all of the world that doesn't carry chains, especially if it's right at the bottom of Mammoth. So that's just fantastic.
Kids, get a radar detector.
Best
Cops in 2 miles.
Best things of all time. And right now, since we have one, Derek's gonna go all fast for a second. Look at the speedo. Oh no. This is so fast. Yeah. What's your WRX's name?
Rosie.
Ooh, that's sexy. I like that.
Rate it.
Meow.
No.
Show!
You know any good snow jokes? No, I don't know any.
Chain times, boys.
Get him done, Mike.
Okay, so you know that the snow is deep when you have to put the chains on the Subaru.
Yeah, looks good.
It's cold. It's very cold. Would you guys agree?
You hear that?
We're out here like straight ice road trucking.
You hear that though?
Yeah.
VIP.
VIP.
VIP at the roadway inn.
They call me Derek Steele.
Why do they call you Derek Steele?
Cause I'm so buff.
Derek's fat.
Our vlogs are so awkward.
We're new to this, it's okay. There is snow.
You fucking idiot.
What the fuck did I do?
What the fuck, dude? Really? You mean to me? Come video. Stop. Hey, Derek.
Facelift, you couldn't even see more than 10 feet in front of you. You had to follow the orange post so you wouldn't like go off the cliff. It was like fun though. Like it was like cool.
In a humble day, I waited for the change, something warm that I could say, but I admit it won't come. Somehow I don't care, though I love the clothes she wears, and I love her body bare. So I pray that it won't feel the same. Don't think that I can't see it in your eyes, darling. Yeah, we both knew it from the start. Some minds are better kept apart. Here I passed the day in a most peculiar way, watching ships out in the bay, and I swallow so hard, and my too weak to fight as the day.
6'2" and the snow is up to my waist. I just got super deep. I'm so short, I got covered.
It won't feel the same now. Don't think that I can't see it in your eyes, darling. Yeah, we both knew it from the start. Some minds are better kept apart. I pray that it won't feel the same now. Don't think that I can't see it in your eyes, darling. Yeah, we both knew it from the start. Some minds are better kept apart. Don't go
It was cold as.
So cool.
That's the problem. Derek has hypothermia. That's a good idea. He's doing good. It's currently the next morning. We're gonna get snowed in, so we're gonna leave today. We got Derek in the back there. He looks stoked as hell. All right, we're gonna go pack up the car now.
Really quick.
Oh, we're gonna go try and fly the drone.
I wanted to come on.
All right, so here's the plan.
Open the door.
We're gonna take this drone. We're gonna try and fly it in this gosh darn snowstorm right now. See how that goes. We're just gonna go for it. There's a Subaru.
Warming up.
It's having a hard time right now.
No, I know.
That's cool.
It's gonna crash into that.
All right, we're gonna see how this goes right now.
I don't either, but I'm gonna try it.
Oh, we're money. Most recorded snow in January ever. Oh, Brendan already has his goggles on. We're flying a drone right now. Still hasn't crashed, and it's like 25-mile-per-hour winds. I guess it's about to crash. That's gonna be cool though. We're just going for it.
I'm trying.
Hey, why isn't this done yet?
It's snowy.
So what's your favorite part about shoveling snow off of Subarus?
Everything. Everything about it. It's just a way of life. Been doing it since I was 16 years old. It's so great. It's so much fun. This is the Corona 5000. By far the best. Gets the most scoop.
Is it also because we're stuck?
It's also because we're stuck. That's the only reason.
Britton, I really like this look you're going for right now, like Bass Pro Shops and then whatever this is. It's looking good.
I'm an outdoorsman.
Under these, it won't be cold.
Hey Derek, what's wrong with your pants right now?
We left them out in the snow overnight.
How frozen are they?
You know what? They're thawing out now, but they're pretty crusty sock.
Alright, day 2. This time we actually have a GoPro battery. When you park far away and the day's over, this is how you get back to your car. Well, that was a good trip.
That was an awesome trip.
Now we gotta drive 10 hours home. Good trip?